Hello again mga ka-beauties! Welcome back sa inyong mga nakasubscribe na sa akin. And for those of you na hindi pa nakasubscribe sa akin, please do click the subscribe button and subscribe for good. Paki-click na rin yung notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga bagong videos. Okay mga ka-beauties, so in today's video, it is a skincare haul. Kasama na rin dyan yung body care and hair care. So, ito siya guys. Bigat. Ayan, isang box. Marami-rami. Okay, so mahaba-haba yung ating videos. Video. Okay, so guys, I'll start sa aking favorite na bath care. It's a cream bath and it smells so fresh and so pleasant. Yung scent niya guys is cherry blossoms. And naging favorite ko to since na-discover ko from January and until now ito pa rin yung aking ginagamit. Wash your way with this luxe and heavenly scented cream wash. Smells great with a creamy texture. It lathers well with just a bit of amount. Cleanses well and washes off easily and leaving the skin hydrated and not dry out. Ito hindi naka-sale, so I bought it in full price. Pero ito guys, na yung lahat na ng susunod na products na ipapakita ko sa inyo are from Super Deals department. So, all of it are buy one take one o di kaya 50% off. Okay, so moving on, I have here yung aking favorite hair conditioner. It's from Head & Shoulders. For healthier strands and nourished scalp, Head & Shoulders conditioner provides intensive moisture from root to tip, leaving hair touchably soft and moisturized for visibly healthier looking hair. And I got one classic and kumuha rin ako ng isang smooth and silky. Itong classic na to smells fresh and quite minty. And ito naman smells like flowers. Parehas na mabango. Okay. So, sunod guys. Okay, so skincare din to and for immune system also. Ayan, meron ako ditong Healthy Biome. This is a repurchase kasi paubos na yung aking probiotics. I am taking this every other day. Healthy Biome Adult Probiotics offers a variety of probiotic formulas that promote healthy digestion and overall wellness. This contains 5-strain probiotic blends with prebiotic fructo-oligosaccharide. And I have here my favorite vitamin C capsules. Maganda siyang gamitin kasi hindi siya mahapdi sa tiyan. Kahit hindi ka pa nakakain and ita-take mo siya, hindi siya mahapdi sa tiyan. Kaya ito yung naging favorite ko. It is in capsule form and it is suggested to be taken 1 capsule twice daily, preferably without food. Doctor's Best Vitamin C contains QC, which is manufactured in Scotland and priced for its quality and reliability. Okay, so moving on sa skincare naman tayo, and lahat ng mga skincare na ipapakita ko sa inyo guys are Kbeauty from its Korean made. So I have here, una kong ipapakita sa inyo is itong Time Revolution. Kaya ko to binili is this has my favorite skincare ingredient, which is the niacinamide. So that's the first reason kaya ko binili to. This has also ascorbic acid, sodium ascorbyl phosphate, niacinamide, glutathione, and Saccharomyces. So this is a fermented cleanser. May Saccharomyces siya. This is a creamy formula that provides deep cleansing, brightening, and moisture balancing. This contains glutathione, natural flower extracts, essential amino acids, vitamin derivatives to renew the complexion's tone and texture without stripping away the skin's essential moisture or irritating sensitive skin. And dahil naka-half price siya guys, it only cost me $8. Ito. Okay. So, sunod na aking kinuha. This is itong from CosRX. Ayan. So, dahil nagkaka-pimples na naman ako dahil sa mask. Ayan o. So, bumili ako nitong CosRX AC Collection Calming Liquid Intensive. This has propolis in it. This toner is a total solution even for invisible skin troubles. Essence liquid provides deep nourishment just like an essence, but it is as refreshing as a toner. Active ingredients softly soothe troubled skin. Guys, kapag ka mga Korean toners, hindi ko na siya ginagamitan ng cotton. I just put it on my palms and then konting rub and ipapat ko na siya sa aking face. Yun. So, another CosRX product na na-purchase ko is itong Natural BHA Skin Returning Emulsion. Yan. This is naman formulated with 80% of Centella asiatica and 1% BHA. This is a very good exfoliating emulsion and nagamit ko na to noon pa nung hindi pa ako nagva-vlog, and it was very good for my skin. Ito yung nakaalis actually ng mga pimples ko. Ngayon bumabalik dahil sa paggamit ng mask everyday. So, binalikan ko ulit to and I hope matitreat uli niya yung mga pimples ko. Natural BHA Skin Returning Emulsion is a lotion for troubled skin. It is meant for daily care, even for unnoticeable skin concerns. It is soothing, hydrating, and improves skin texture. It also controls excess sebum without the skin feeling greasy. It also won't clog pores since it is a lightweight texture. This comes with a pump, making it easy to dispense. Dito ko siya ipapartner sa toner ng AC Collection. Bumili din pala ako ng Rice Water Bright from the Face Shop na cleansing lotion. Ito siya, 200 ml to. And what I love about this is hindi siya mahapdi sa mata kapag ina-apply mo siya to cleanse your makeup and to take away your mascara. And I like the packaging also kasi pump siya. Rice Water Cleansing Lotion gently cleanses your face, removes makeup and impurities, leaving skin fresh, clean, and soft. This contains rice water and rice bran oil with brilliant whitening effect to create a clear, bright skin complexion. Okay, so moving on, bumili din ako ng sun cream and I bought this one, the Sonjung, from the Sonjung line. Ang ganda ng packaging, so white and so clean. Napaka-minimalistic niya. Sonjung Mild Defense Sun Cream provides inorganic sun protection with a low irritant formula and protects the skin. The non-sticky and creamy texture makes daily application a breeze, while it soothes and calms the skin with cooling relief upon application. Ayan, nag-repurchase din ako ng kanilang clear spot patch. Napakaganda nito. It is a hydrocolloid patch. Hindi mo siya mapapansin not unless yung talagang tititigan mo siya. Gustong gusto ko to guys kasi kapag ginagamit ko to sa aking pimples, nagda-dry ka agad, hindi na siya nag-iiwan ng peklat. Ipa-partner ko siya dito sa kanilang starter kit. It's from the 30 Days Miracle line ng Some by Me, and this has 4 products in it. Sino to? May kasamang picture. Hindi ako fan ng mga K-drama or mga Korean actors and actresses, kaya hindi ko to kilala. Ang cute! Main ingredients ng starter kit na to are tea tree, niacinamide, and Centella asiatica. Maganda talaga siya for pimples or oily skin. Your journey towards crystal clear skin begins with Some by Me 30 Days Miracle Starter Kit. This kit contains a miracle toner for gentle exfoliation. Kasama sa kit na to yung kanilang miracle serum to soothe irritated skin. And mga ka-beauties, meron din itong cleansing bar to deeply cleanse the skin. Plus, the miracle cream to strengthen the skin barrier. Next na skincare is, hindi na to Kbeauty, but it's my favorite. Really my favorite. Yan. Kaya ako bumili ng dalawa. Here you go. It's the Dickinson's Original Witch Hazel Toner. Itong formula na to yung gustong-gusto ko, yung kulay yellow. Meron din, okay lang din yung kulay violet, which is the hydrating toner. Pero mas gusto ko to kasi it tightens your pores. Kaya kita nyo naman. Hindi ko problema ang pores. Isang bottle na to has 437 ml and this only cost me, itong dalawa na to, $6.37. This has 100% all-natural witch hazel formula that is oil-free, non-drying and gentle formula that tightens and refines the pores. It removes and controls oil, soothes irritation, and locks in moisture. Yan lahat guys, yung ating skincare haul. And I hope nag-enjoy kayong nanood. And don't forget to subscribe for good, like and share.